Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-sportline. Today we have a brand new 2025 Model 3 Highland that just came to us shortly after the customer took delivery of it because he wanted to achieve two very important things. Number one, protect the paint. Protect the midnight silver metallic paint that Tesla puts on there from road rash, rock chips, door dings, and just kind of like everyday driving. This particular owner is going to have this car for many years to come. And his previous Model 3 unfortunately got beat up a little bit over the years from road rash and rock chips and door dings and all those types of things that could adversely affect your paint. This time, he got a little smarter. He came straight to T-sportline and we went ahead and wrapped the complete exterior painted areas using TMaxx Satin Clear PPF. PPF stands for paint protection film, and that's exactly what it's designed to do. Protect your paint from road rash, rock chips, door dings, etc., those types of things. And typically, the film will take the abuse, and because it has self-healing properties, it could actually repair itself. If it doesn't, then the film is most likely compromised. But if it's only compromised on, let's say, this front fender, no big deal. Pull the film off. In most cases, the paint underneath is going to be saved and undamaged, and then you just go ahead and you rewrap the one fender part. Much quicker, much easier, and much less expensive than taking it to a body shop. Especially Midnight Silver Metallic has metallics in it. It is a multi-stage paint. So if you needed to go ahead and repair this fender, for example, you would most likely have to paint and blend maybe the front bumper and maybe the hood. Very costly, takes a long time. Number two, by using the TMaxx Satin Clear PPF, he also achieved a color change, because now the very cool Midnight Silver Metallic is actually a satin Midnight Silver Metallic. And satin finishes are increasingly popular in all types of vehicles, especially on Teslas. How cool does this look? So much nicer, muted, very stealth, very trendy right now, again, in all types of cars when you're doing a PPF wrap. Now let's jump into the wheels. This is not a performance Model 3, so it came with the basic 18-inch wheels and tires from Tesla, and this owner did not care for them. He wanted something sportier, something stronger, something lighter, and something that just really looks so much better, and he chose my personal favorite, TXL115 wheels, fully forged, ultra lightweight wheels with Michelin tires front and rear for a very sporty look, finished in satin black, which is a perfect match with all the window trim and the door handles that comes from Tesla in satin black. This car is stealth, this car is protected, this film actually comes with a 10-year warranty, so this customer feels really confident and very comfortable on this investment. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.